Hi and welcome to the Bullish YouTube channel. To follow is a short video of one of our live webinars which our members receive on a daily basis. I hope you enjoy. So this German IFO business climate, this is a survey. Survey is highly respected due to its large sample size and historic correlation with German and wider Eurozone economic conditions. It tends to create a hefty market impact upon release. Source change series from base year of 2000 to base year of 2005 as of May 2011. So it says it's a leading indicator of economic health, and I do believe that. And because of where it is, because it's in Germany, it gives a very good reflection of the overall EU economic health. And we know that that is really poor at the moment. There's, looking forward, I think we've got to be able to see a way to capitalise on what will be a changing Eurozone. There's no doubt about it. So I think we need to keep a close eye on that and just watch what's going on, watch the news. Let's just have a look at the economic news here. More about interest rates, and let's have a look whether we've got, that was housing starts in the US, I think, mortgage applications. So nothing really to go at particularly. Just refresh this and have a look. Dollar near 9-month highs on US rate hike bets. Again, more about that. Underpinned Fed rate outlook. Same old. It really is. Dollar gains against yen, trying to see December Fed rate hike again. So it's the same thing over and over again, really. I'm sick of hearing it. I don't know about you guys, but the Fed give nothing away. They don't tell you anything except leave you in a state of not knowing, and that keeps them in control. It keeps the dollar pushing higher on speculation, and I think I just think it's fabricated to keep it unknown. They even contradict each other. So. Sorry, Vasant's saying something else there. Right, okay. I'm not sure, Vasant, all right. But your trades came in, that's the main thing. So let's have a look at the charts. I did get a few of you sent an email through, by the way, regarding continuation of subscription. If there's anyone else, please do send an email, because I want to make sure that you guys have got a secured place. We can call you back and go through everything, but what we're going to do is get this to a point where there's just everything you need within our members area. I've got a very exciting announcement which I think will make all of you want to continue. I hope you do. I had a couple of messages saying people, they're not sure and they hadn't seen the profit that they'd expect. It is tough times, but make sure, being told my vision is frozen. It isn't at my end, Vasant, so anyone else? Yeah, okay. So I was moving my head around to see, because I can see what you guys can see, so I can tell whether it's frozen. So yeah, look, we've got exciting things ahead, and I think you're going to want to be a part of it. There's not going to be any other company in the industry, not by a long stretch of the imagination, that's going to be offering the same sort of benefits that we are, okay, and I'm making sure of that. So I want any of you guys that were here from the start, I want you guys on board going forward. It's important to me, and I think this is just going to get better and better. You're going to get you're getting a significant discount. No one will get it for the same price as you guys are getting it, and it is going to be much lower, obviously, than that initial price, because we're expecting more demand. That's the aim there, and the more we can do that, the more we can reflect that in the ongoing subscription. Steve, well, as soon as I've got things to show you, it's going to be something that's going to be exclusive to Bullish members, and give you everything you need to trade effectively, communicate with each other. All right, so it's going to be good. So let's have a look at where we are. This is the Euro US dollar. Now, we're on a one-day chart here, and we can see that, or one-day candles, we can see that yesterday and today so far, that euro actually picking up. So it's very frustrating that this doesn't save my, every time I go into it, it doesn't save my my lines, but never mind. So let's have a look. We want to be on, so this is where the position that we're hovering around at the moment. And let's put another one in at 1,100. And we should see this euro. So now I'm just going to change it to on our view and see where we are. So where we are. So I'd imagine there's nothing else really going on. Consumer confidence later for the US and that European Central Bank President's speech. Now I expect that. Right. Okay, Jeremy. All right. Thanks a lot. Yeah, I expect that the euro. What's it going to do ahead of this speech? I can't see it picking up any really. It might push towards this 1.09, but you expect that to come after the speech. So again, I think we're in a situation where we just have to leave this alone. We'll see what this data comes in, but I can't see this being positive, because even if the figure is positive against forecast, I just can't see this being, with the state of the Eurozone now, I can't see it being a positive outlook, and I think that will be reflected in Draghi's speech later as well. But just prior to that, we've got the Bank of England governor speaking, and I think the webinar this afternoon coincides with that. It's right in the middle of all this, so we'll see how that is all shaping things up. So I keep thinking I'm going to sneeze. Let's go back to our chart. So what I'm going to do is have a look through. Let me pull up my currency pairings here, and I'm going to have a look through. Have a look through the different currency pairings. So I'm just going to methodically go through these. AUD, CAD. Now again, what we want to be doing is looking for support and resistance on these. So we start on a one-day candle again. This being the key price point, really. I'm going to get it to, there we go. So we're just going through them and mark these again, but you need a way really that we can put all of these in. So there we can see how this is moving. Now I suspect this Australian dollar is pushing towards this point here. What we've got coming up. So CPI data coming out of Australia tomorrow morning. So there's every chance that this Australian dollar could carry on pushing towards this point today. Let's have a look on a shorter view. Yeah, so it's kind of leveled out around here, but it's following the same pattern of movement, so you expect this to carry on climbing towards 1.02. The Australian dollar still very strong overall. We're looking at the, I'm just going to write these down as I see them.
We hope you enjoyed that glimpse into what Bullish members receive on a daily basis. If you'd like to experience this for yourself, just click below for a 30-day, no obligation free trial. We look forward to seeing you on the inside.